Another twist to the sordid Tehelka saga, Shoma Chaudhary stepping down from her post of managing editor of the magazine. In fact, in her resignation letter, she revealed that she does not want to tarnish the image of Tehelka, but her resignation has not gone down well with activists and politicians who have raised their demand for Tejpal's arrest and dubbed Shoma's letter as a case of too little, too late.
Days after covering up for a former editor's heinous acts of alleged rape, Tehelka managing editor finally threw in the towel today, tendering her resignation to the management in the wee hours of the morning. But her stepping down refused to diffuse the anger of those who hold her responsible for further tarnishing the image of the victim.
Even though Shoma Chaudhary resigned from her post today, she cannot run away after tendering her resignation. She is also responsible for this full incident, spoiling the image of victim.
Her resignation not cutting any ice with protesters and activists who have suggested fear as the trigger behind the move.
एक महिला पत्रकार के समर्थन में ये खड़ी नहीं हुई। पिछले 7 दिनों से फैक्ट्स को, कंप्लेंट को सप्रेस करती रही।
That resignation cannot justify the failure from the part of Shoma Chaudhary by not reporting the incident, which we are all talking about now, to the police. Because in their institution, they did not have a committee to examine this.
Meanwhile, Shoma's resignation has put the spotlight back on Tejpal, with voices within the political fray reiterating their demand for Tejpal's arrest.
इसमें सिर्फ सब बड़ी गड़बड़ी है कि तरुण तेजपाल को सामने आना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने पहले अपने बातों को कहीं न कहीं परोक्ष रूप से कबूल किया कि उनसे कहीं न कहीं गलतियां हुई हैं और उनको आगे आके सरेंडर करना चाहिए। इस तरह छिपने की जरूरत नहीं।
साथ ही साथ जो शोमा चौधरी ने जो रेजिग्नेशन आज किया है, शोमा चौधरी को उसी दिन कर देना चाहिए था जब उन्होंने इतना समय लिया पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म करने में।
But even as Tejpal continues his free run with the law, can Shoma's resignation let him off the hook? Bureau Report, Times Now.